Good morning, my dear students. I am Professor Vasundhara, Government Women's College, Economics Department, Kolar. Today I am going to explain mode discrete series. In that problem, weights in cages and frequency column are given. In grouping table which contains column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grouping table contains 6 columns. Column number 1 which contains original frequencies as given in the problem. Column number 2 which contains summed up frequencies summed up into 2's, that is 2 plus 4 6, 5 plus 6 11 from the beginning. Column number 3 contains summed up frequencies summed up into 2's by leaving a 2, that is first frequency. Column number 4 which contains summed up frequencies summed up into 3's from the beginning. For example, 2 plus 4 plus 5 we get 11. In the same way, 6 plus 8 plus 5 we get 19. Column number 5 which contains summed up frequencies summed up into 3's by leaving first frequency, that is 4 plus 5 plus 6 we get 15. In the same way, column number 6 which contains summed up frequencies summed up into 3's by leaving 2 frequencies summed up into 5 plus 6 plus 8, so that we get 19. In the column number first frequency, circle the highest frequency. In this case 11 is the highest frequency. In column number 2 highest frequency is 16, circle the value 16. In case of third column highest frequency is 18, so that we circled that value, and so on. After knowing grouping table, let us know analysis table. You bring all 6 columns to left hand side and bring all the variables top horizontally. Then in frequency 1 we circled 11 as highest frequency. Corresponding to this 58 is the variable, so that under 58 put one bar vertically. In column number 2 highest frequency is 16. How we get 16? That is by adding these two values 11 and 5 we get 16. Corresponding to these values 58 and 59 we have to put tally bars. Under 58 one bar, under 59 another bar. In the same way, column number 3 highest frequency is 18. How we get this 18? That is by adding 7 and 11. Corresponding to these values, variables are 57 and 58. Under 57 and 58 put tally bars. In column number 4 highest frequency is 22. How we get 22? That is 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 11 22. Corresponding to these frequencies 56, 57, 58. Under 57, 58, 59 we have to put tally bars. In the same way, column number 5, 23 is the highest frequency. How we get this 23? That is 7 plus 11, 11 plus 5. By adding all these values, we get 23. Corresponding to these frequencies are 57, 58, 59. Under 57, 58, 59, put tally bars. That is 50 under 57 one tally bar, 58 another tally bar, 59 another tally bar. In the same way, column number 6, highest frequencies are 19 and 19. So that how we get this 19? By leaving two frequencies, adding three frequencies, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 8, we get 19. In the same way, by adding 11 plus 5 plus 3, we get 19. Corresponding to these values, we must put tally bars. That is, under 52 one, 53 another, 54 another. In this case, we find two highest frequencies. So that we have 6 tally bars here. By adding vertically, highest value is 6. So that this is 6 is the model value. Thank you.